Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to do a shoulder check. Now, a shoulder check is otherwise known as a check for the blind spot, or a blind spot check. And that's because it allows you to do sort of an extra check to make sure that there are no cars or pedestrians or obstructions beside you in the areas that you cannot see with your mirrors. So let's get right to it, okay? You have 3 mirrors in your car. You most likely have 3 mirrors in your car, unless one of them fell off or something like that. You have a rear view mirror right over here, and then you have 2 side mirrors on the sides of your car, okay? Now, the rear view mirror allows you to sort of see behind your car, outside of your rear windshield, okay? If you've positioned it properly, it should show you behind your car, outside of your rear windshield. And your side mirrors actually allow you to see down the sides of your car, okay? Down the sides of your car and then out behind your car, sort of behind the sides of your car, okay? Now, if you check your rear view mirror, and if you check your side mirrors, you'll be able to see the majority of the area behind and around your car. But there are 2 spots, one on either side, that you simply cannot see. They are known as the blind spots. Now, how do you do a shoulder check or a blind spot? You simply take your head, okay, and you turn it to one shoulder or the other. So let's say I wanted to check my right blind spot or do a right shoulder check. I would take my head, turn it to the side like this, and look directly out the side of the car. Now, I have a 4-door car, so I can see out the front door window, the front passenger side window, and the rear passenger side window. When I turn my head to the side, I can see outside of both of those windows, okay? Let's say I wanted to do a shoulder check to my left. I would take my head and turn it to my left shoulder, just like this. Once again, I can see outside of the driver's side front window, and right here, the driver's side back window right there, just like this. And that will show you the areas that you cannot see with your mirrors, okay? So basically, when you want to do something like switch lanes, you would obviously put your signal on. Let's say I wanted to switch lanes to the left. I would put my signal on, I'd check my rear view mirror, I would check my side mirror, and then I would do a shoulder check, just like that. And that allows you to see the area that these 2 mirrors can't show me, okay? Let's say I wanted to do the same thing, but I wanted to make a right-hand turn, okay? I'm at a stop sign, my signal's on, and I want to make a right-hand turn. I check my rear view mirror, I check my right side mirror, and then I would check my right blind spot. I would do a right shoulder check, just like that. Very simple. Now, another quick note, a shoulder check, a proper shoulder check should be very brief. I've seen people do shoulder checks that look like this, and that's not good. Number 1, your peripheral vision cannot see the front of the road when you turn your head all the way like that. So you shouldn't adjust your body. It should just be something like this. A quick check like that, brief. You're looking quickly because you've already seen the majority of the area with your rear view mirror and your side mirror, whichever one you're using. But you want to see all of the area, the entire area, so you just do a quick shoulder check to give you that extra area that you didn't see before. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and we're going to drive down this street, and I will actually do a few shoulder checks for you. So let's put the car in drive. We're going to wait until this car passes over here, just like this, because there's a car approaching. Put our signal on, and we're going to drive. So we're moving ahead on a street. Now, let's say that, and I'm on a side street, so I can't, switch lanes or anything like that, because it's just, there's no lanes to switch. But let's say that I wanted to switch lanes to my left. I would put my signal on, check my rear view mirror, check my left side mirror, and then shoulder check. That's all it takes to do shoulder check. Let's say I wanted to do a right shoulder check to see what was going on, if I was going to make a turn, or if I just wanted to see if there's a car in my blind spot over here. I would just go like this. That's it. It's that simple. You want to do a right shoulder check? Just like that. You want to do a left shoulder check? Just like that. And by doing that, okay, number 1, you're only taking your eyes out from the focus in front of you for just a brief moment. But number 2, your peripheral vision still allows you to see what's going on in front of you, okay? Your peripheral vision still allows you to see. So I'm going to make a left-hand turn here. Signal's on, rear view mirror, left side mirror, left blind spot. Now we can make the turn, now that I know it's safe. And that's basically it. In this video, I've shown you how to do a shoulder check. It's so simple, it's so easy, but it is so important to do a shoulder check at the appropriate moments. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. What do you think about shoulder checks? Do you do them all the time? And was this tutorial helpful for you? Let me know as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.